Hi guys, my name is Saiphin Moore, co-founder and head chef of Rosa's group. I've been invited by a School of Wok to cook coconut soup with the noodle. Okay, what you need for tom kha. Kha means galangao. So usually we use the a young kha or young galangao, but of course if you live in overseas or if you can manage to get a young one, use the young one. Otherwise use the same, use this one. It's just the same taste. Lime leaves, 1 stroke of lemongrass, and then probably 1.5 or 2 lambs, which someone cut it out for me. And then I add the tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. This one I will use a whole thing, but I will cut it for coriander root into my soup. But I want to use them for my garnish. Coconut milk, salt, sugar or palm sugar, fish sauce, and of course if you are a vegetarian, don't use the fish sauce, use the soy sauce instead. And then the mushroom, any kind of mushroom that you prefer. And then this is prawn, so we're going to make coconut milk, tom kha prawn. So I will start, turn the heat on, high heat, then I add the coconut milk in. And this one I'm to make up to, that is a big bowl, so 3 people, but you can have 4 people. So I use 400 ml of coconut milk with 400 ml water. But if you want it very thick, you don't need to add water at all. Now put it in, and then by the time your coconut milk is boil hot, you just need to preparation your things and take the bad bit out. And I would just smash them, chop them into probably about 2 inch. So you can just use, when you smash them, the taste, the aroma is just come out quickly. And then chop galangao, and I actually prefer to use the young bit to put for my coconut soup. I always use, where the top part, like that part for me. And then chili, I'm going to cut them in half. And add them in. Basically, you add everything in the same time. And then you just split the lime leaves. Put them in. Coriander root. If you don't have a root, this is the same thing. I smash them. I want them, all the flavor, go right in there. Salt, 1 teaspoon. And I add some palm sugar in, 1 teaspoon. Then sugar, 1 teaspoon. And then the fish sauce. So I put this one, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. Then lime juice. So because I want my coconut soup to be sour and salty, I'm to add at least 5 tablespoons of lime juice. So probably about 2 limes. But you always taste them afterwards. Then if it's not enough, then you can add them in. to cook this dish, I don't recommend to use the a bottle one. So all we use lime juice, you know, like a fresh one. I like to cook this dish, especially winter, because it just warm me up. I just love the taste of it, and especially, you know, in a very cold day. So we just wait until it's boiled. It's very creamy, and it's just very fantastic dish. If you want more spicy, add more chili. Now, put the mushroom in. This is the oyster mushroom. It's a very big, and it's really well known. We use them a lot in Asia. And actually, this one is, I don't know why, this kind of soup in Thailand, we have to use the oyster mushroom. It's something about it. Then, we add our prawn. Then I'm cutting my tomatoes. So just make sure the prawn is cooked, and then turn off. So that one is not cooked yet. So I cook my noodles. So we put it in a boiling hot water for a couple minutes. Try not cook too much. You don't want to overcook your noodles, because the noodle have been soaked in warm water for 20 minutes. Drain it and then put it in. So this one, like I said, if you want it more spicy, add chili. And this one is a very, very good with winter. It's a good time. And then I garnish with coriander. So there you go. Let me try. That is very, very good. Well done, Saiphin. Good. Oh my God, this is good. Thank you for watching. Is anything that you need to know is Rosa's Thai Cafe book. Everything that you need to know is under. Yeah, just click it in my link. Okay, that's it. Don't say under below. Oh my gosh.